welcome back to Rolling Reed Ranch, rolling with the Reeds. We outside. Hashtag we outside, oh son.
Fine.
So we started this project when we first moved here. Some of y'all might remember this from a video, TikTok, Instagram, but we put that on a pause. But we back to it now. So we were using 2x4s on these sides, but we changed it to 2x6. Give it a little bit more extra sturdiness. So this whole barn will be 52 feet long. It's 12 feet wide. So on that last, these are 12-foot bays. Like from each pole to pole is 12 foot, but that last one is 16 foot. But like I say, we back out here trying to get it together, trying to get this barn built. Shouldn't take much. Gonna be a little work, but after we, get us a roll going, after we get these sides on and get on this roof, then it should be a cakewalk after that. So we getting on this barn. Whole Reed family out here today.
Get me out of the camera.
He don't want to turn around. He too cool.
Yep.
I know a place sustain them by just the land. Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, goats, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
Done. For this side, still got 2 more sides to do, but we're just gonna focus on this side for right now. Get this done, get the roof on, get this enclosed, siding on before we finish going that way. I didn't put that last rafter on yet because I gotta cut these 2 pipes on the end. I cut these already, so I'm just not gonna put that one on so I have enough room to cut those 2 pipes down so we can put the roof on smoothly, no problems. But it's lunchtime. About to go eat some lunch, then we get back to it. All right, we are done with half of the barn. The half that we was really wanting to get done before the winter time. Wanted to get these, toys and lawnmowers and stuff and needed a place for them. So, got it all hooked up. Got the four-wheeler side-by-side, lawnmower, and tractor in here. So, got half of it done. Still got to finish that. Oh, where's that? There you go. That little hole right there tomorrow. I'm going to finish that tomorrow. Got to do a little customized piece. But we are officially done. Thanks, everyone, for all their help. Yep. It looks nice walking off.
Look at that sunset, bro.
Yeah, nice little sunset. Yeah. All right, thank y'all for watching. Rolling with the Reeds, Rolling Reed Ranch. Peace out.
Peace out.